What's up, guys? Chef here at Don's Appliances. I'm in the Experience Center bringing you a great, quick, and easy tip how to boil some eggs without even boiling. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna use it right in the steam oven. Amazing. Guys, you could do this for your Easter eggs, or even if you gotta make a lot of potato salad, or like, egg salad sandwiches or something like that. Now you can make a bunch of them super easy with just a push of a few buttons. Got my dozen eggs right here, ready to roll. The only thing we have to do is really make sure we don't break them in the initial. We're gonna put them in a perforated steam pan, gang. So if you hold this up, the holes are at the bottom. We have our solid tray underneath, and this is gonna be our setup for the steam oven. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna pop a dozen eggs in here, probably decorate some eggs, maybe make some egg salad sandwiches, have some fun with this, okay? Roll. And you guys, you can put up to 2 dozen, even 3 dozen in here, depending on, sky's the limit on this. So, like you said, put them all in our perforated tray, solid tray. Let's go to the steam oven, make some magic. All right, guys, let's fire these eggs in the steam oven. All right, just like this, the setup goes. So we're gonna put our perforated pan with our eggs on top, drip tray underneath to collect all the moisture, okay? Fire that in, drip tray right underneath it, just like that. Got our water tank right here full, so we can fill our water tank up already. Let's close the door. And guys, these steam ovens make it so easy. We'll push it right in the presets, okay? So we'll turn our machine on here, go right to preset foods, so it has it all set up for us. We can scroll down, meat, poultry, fish, shellfish, but we're going right for the eggs, okay? Last one here, so we'll highlight eggs, we'll hit okay. Now, soft, medium, and hard, and gives you the stages too. So if you want to do soft boiled, well, we're doing hard boiled, okay? Jump down, hard. It'll say remember to put our water in. We already did that. We'll hit okay, boom. 16 minutes, we'll hit start. Light goes on, guys. Boiler's gonna heat up. Now it's gonna make steam. This is really all we have to do, but sit and relax for the next 16. So check us out. All right, crew, dozen eggs, 16 minutes out of the steamer, peeled them all really nice and easy. Let's just make a magic egg salad out of this. Okay, so I got them. You can actually just fork them in the bowl just like this, and break them up. However you do it, especially if you're doing a large batch, if you want a little chunky or a little rustic style. I find it a lot easier sometimes. A little quick tip here, use the box grater, so you could just grate them like this. Or if you get like a baker's screen, you could just punch them through the screen. Takes a lot less time, but cool factor is when we do this, we get some uniformity out of it. It helps out if you're doing an egg salad, things like that you don't get like a huge amount of chunk. So this makes life a lot easier, let me tell you. An egg salad, man, people do so many different ways. We're gonna do a little unconventional style, my style, I like to call it. So we'll put this off to the side. We got our eggs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, full teaspoon of salt right in there. Next, mayo. So I use this, I'm using a roasted garlic, so it just has a little bit of flavor to it. Just a little 2 tablespoons of that. Guys, watch out, you can always add it, but you can never take it back. So let's add another tablespoon of Dijon in here. And now I'm using a little truffle flavored hot sauce. Full tablespoon of this guy. I like it spicy, so it's gonna give it a little nice kick. Put this off here. I got some nice pickles. I'm just gonna dice up some pickle, pop some parsley into here, give it a nice color and a great texture, okay? So we're just gonna dice these up. You can use the relish if you want. I find the pickle is just, julienne like this, a nice little garnish. You can see it gives it better texture, okay? Pop this in, chop a little parsley, get a nice little pop of green, a little bit of fresh in here. You could use some basil, you could use some dill, whatever you got. Parsley's kind of the key in here, right? Take a little bit of that off. Put this over here. Let's just get a quick mix on here, left and right. We don't want to beat it up too much. Stir from the bottom. Look how it works really well. You see that good green color. You see that great red. the mayo and the mustard is just really gonna bind this. Toss it just like this. Now guys, this can be made ahead of time. We can get a nice chill on here to just get a nice cold salad. I'm gonna have to take a little test to try it out. Guys, perfectly balanced, great salt, great pepper, but the ease of 16 minutes of not having to boil these and worry about them, perfect eggs is really what we want to show you here. So guys, enjoy this one. Egg salad for lunch tonight. Thanks guys, appreciate it.